Hey guys, Caleb here again. Just wanted to go ahead and go through the mobile version of a Docusign agreement. As you can see here, this is how it's going to come through. You'll see the review document and any message that anybody had put to you. You go ahead and click Review Document. This is how it's going to pop up. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have some options here. Print and sign, decline to sign, all that good stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and click Continue instead. Again, you're going to be able to leave comments. Here is how your document's going to pop up. You can click Start up in the bottom or top right corner. It's going to push you right down to your signature, and you have the option to draw it or go ahead and put it to the computer. I'm going to draw because who doesn't like scribbling their name out like you're writing in crayon? And then I'm going to click Adopt and Sign. After that, you get to go ahead and review your signature, make sure everything's right, and then click Finish. Just like the last time, you get this option to save your document. I'm going to go ahead and click No Thanks. And again, you are done. If you do need any help, anybody at Huston can give you a hand, and they're more than happy to. You guys have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.